from Urchfab. So I got a little lathe project today, which is just to get a bit better organised with all my tooling. Instead of having it, I've got a shelf up here. You know, it's kind of a bit out of the way, hard to reach. Can't really see what what tools I've got on the holders. So what I want to do is I just want to have a shelf here with all my tool holders on. So they'll just sit neatly along the back of there. But I want these to actually like locate into a little hole so that they can't fall off. I've seen people do it where they make slots where these actually will slot down on, but I just want to have like a cutout, which I'll do something on the plasma table so there's just the shape the same as the bottom of that along here, with enough slots for all of my tools. So it should be a nice easy little project. I'm going to use some aluminium, plasma cut some aluminium or aluminum. Alright, so got my tool holder. Which is 98mm by 40. So we'll do 100 by 42. That's going to be the top piece, and then I'm just going to put the same dimension piece underneath it so that they'll just sit into these slots. I need some mounting holes. And then along this edge I just need some holes which I'll just put rivets in, which will just hold the two pieces together, so I'll probably stick them in here out of the way. So I hate peeling off this blue plastic stuff off the back of the alley sheet. And when I was just about to cut that, I saw that I hadn't peeled enough back. And I thought, oh, I'll just do it after. Maybe it'll come off easier. Wrong. Now it's melted it on there. Son of a biscuit. Right, I want to put a bend in this so that the tool holders are at a bit of an angle so that you can see the what tool I've got in each one. I've got no chance of folding that. So some alley folds easily, some's very brittle and just cracks. I don't know what this is. Might have a bit more luck if I heated it up. But I think instead of doing that, I'll just make some wedges to hold it at an angle. Got some of these little wedge things for clamping down stuff on the milling machine. Got a whole load of these, so I'm just going to use a few of these to just sort of wedge under the back of there when I bolt it down, and I can sort of decide how much angle I want on it just by how far I sort of wedge that in. Alright, so that is done. I'm happy with that. I've been meaning to do that since I got the lathe. It just makes life a lot easier, it's much quicker, know where everything is, and you know, these little things just make you a bit more productive. There's a lot of these little jobs that need doing that you know, I just never really get around to doing, so there probably will be a few more of these little videos. This kind of content's easy for me to make. The car builds, each video generally costs a lot of money because there's parts involved and stuff, so this kind of stuff, it's like I can make some content, doesn't cost me any money, plus it's a little job that I want to get done, so there are going to be a few more of these little videos popping up, but the cars and stuff, obviously I'll still be carrying on with that as well. It's going to be it for this one. Just watching. See you on the next one.